palette. And I'm going to use this gray. Raiko. Ba yan? Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Anjelmae. For today's video, I'm going to do a red print. I'm going to do a red leopard print eyeshadow look. But before that, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to be updated every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Maglalagay muna ako ng moisturizer. I will be using my Wet Code Aqua Moisturizing Emulsion. Next is concealer. Next, gamitin ko tong color palette. And then, gagamitin ko tong shade. And then next, I will be using my Fruit Punch Ukanbe. Ukanbe ba? O Ukanbe. Then, I'm going to use the shade. My Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to use the shade. It's Bright Red Hill. And then next, I'm going to draw a leopard print. I'm going to use my Maybelline Hyper Sharp Wing eyeliner. Next, I'm going to use my colored board palette, and I'm going to use this gray. I'm going to use this gray shade. Ito. And then kilay, I'm going to use my Hollywood Diva Revenge Eyebrow Powder. kalahati, gagamitin dito, gagamitin ko tong red. Next, I'm going to put foundation. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible, the shades of 230. Next, magbe-bake muna ako. I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Loose Powder Light 01. And while baking, magko-contour na ako. Gagamitin ko tong favorite ko, AC Contour Palette. And I'm going to use the shade. For my mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline Push Up Drama. Next is blush on. I'm going to use my Savvy Classic Blush. And the next highlighter, I'm going to use my Barry M Cosmic Lights. I will be back for my final look. Watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on to be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!